In the name of the Almighty God, the most gracious and most merciful, I send peace and blessings to everyone. Welcome back to our social media handles of Sabadoka Arafat, where we get financial literacy about the financial markets, and particularly we look at the cryptocurrency market. So we learn how to make the money, how to multiply the money, how to invest the money, and how to keep the money in the cryptocurrency market. So we have very many financial markets like the stocks and the forex markets, but there is a reason why I always come here to educate people about the cryptocurrency market, because if you go into Google, the most trusted search engine, and you ask cryptocurrency, as I've always said in my previous videos, and I'll always say this, so Google tells us that the decentralized cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, they now provide an outlet for personal wealth that is beyond restriction and confiscation, meaning that Google itself is verifying that as long as you understand, you get deep knowledge about the cryptocurrencies, you get to differentiate between the real and the fake ones, and you deal with the real cryptocurrencies, which are the decentralized ones, meaning that you are guaranteed of an outlet for personal wealth beyond restriction and confiscation. I told you this doesn't matter. It doesn't want to know that either you are rich, you come from a good background. As long as you understand what you should do, definitely you are going to excel. That is why we are here to provide you with this information so that you can safely invest into the cryptocurrency market. So lucky me, lucky you, that today in this video we are going to talk about how to safely invest in cryptocurrencies, because I have had very many cases, very many of my friends telling me that, Arafat, I made an investment in cryptocurrency, but really it never yielded as I expected. So I know that because very many of the people who train people on cryptocurrencies, they give people high expectations, because someone can be like, you have $1,000, you're going to make 10% of that money every day. It's possible in cryptocurrencies, but really, it's really very hard for someone to make such money every day. So I see that people are given high expectations. People are not told the right thing. But I'm always here to tell you that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, meaning that it moves up and down. But definitely you need to know how to behave. You can make the 10%, but definitely not everyone can make the 10%. So that is why we come here, for you to first get that knowledge, not just to invest in crypto out of excitement, for you to be able to make the money. Because even other people tell me that, Arafat, I lost my money. So it is very sad, my friends. That is why I decided to make these videos on all social media handles, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. I want to educate the people. I want to educate the world so that we understand. I want you to invest in cryptocurrency at your own will. Don't sell your property. Don't sell your land. Don't sell your house. Don't sell your car to invest in crypto unless you understand what you're going to invest in. That's where you can take a risk, because you can sell your land and invest wrongly because of the wrong guidance. That is why the Holy Bible tells us in Proverbs chapter 11 verse 14, where there is no guidance, people will fail, but in the multitude of counselors there is safety. Whenever you do something, when you're not being guided rightly, definitely you are going to fail. And the saddest thing of all is that at times the friends we trust, the people we trust, they give us the wrong guidance. That is why we are here, because in this information, the internet era, information is free of charge. You can understand these things by yourself. You can understand. Someone tells you something, but you make your thorough research. If you want to understand about crypto, definitely these are the right social media handles of Coach Sabadoka Arafat. Trust me, we have helped very many people to excel in their investments. We have helped very many people to understand more about the cryptocurrency space, and I believe definitely you also excel and you'll understand, because if others can make it, you also have that potential. We all have the potential. You can easily understand and make it. So today I'm going to be talking about how to safely invest in cryptocurrency. So they're telling us that, like other financial assets, investing in cryptocurrency can be risky and may result in financial loss. Here are 6 essential tips to make buying and selling of the cryptocurrency safer. So like in any other business, by the even outside the financial assets, in any business, every business has the risks. You can either make it or you can fail. in that business, but we want to see how can you maximize these risks, how can you avoid these risks, how can you behave as you are doing in your business, because every business has challenges. But I believe in those moments when the business is not performing well, you know how to behave. When the business is performing well, again, you know how to behave in such moments. Definitely, you need to know that I need to plan for those moments, the hard moments where I'll be receiving less clients or less customers. It is the same thing here. I'm here to look at the 6 essential tips, because very many people won't tell you that this business is risky or crypto is risky. People will tell you only the good things, that you can make money. But I'm here to explain to you everything as I've told you, because the first they're telling us that DYOR, which is an abbreviation for do your own research. They're telling us that the acronym DYOR stands for do your own research. It is important to understand the basics of blockchain technology, such as the different types of cryptocurrencies and the market dynamics before investing in cryptocurrencies. If you look at our different videos, our different episodes, people who have been following us, we looked at blockchain. We understood what is blockchain. We looked at the market capitalization. We looked at the fundamental things that you should look at before investing in the cryptocurrency. But they have told us that we should understand the basics of the blockchain technology and differentiate the types of cryptocurrencies, because don't forget that Google told us that the decentralized cryptocurrencies, that the outlets for personal wealth, Google has not generalized by saying that the entire cryptocurrencies, because we have the centralized cryptocurrencies. Funny enough that the centralized cryptocurrencies work like this. Arafat, I might be selling, for example, a cryptocurrency. Let me call it the Arafat coin. So now I may tell you that Arafat coin costs $1,000 if you need it. Then you give me $1,000. But if you reach a time and you say that Arafat, I need to sell this Arafat coin to someone, or I need to sell it to you, Arafat, yourself, me, I'll be like, you gave me $1,000, but me, I'm giving you $1, or I'm giving you $10, meaning that that price is determined by me. The price of the centralized cryptocurrencies are determined by the individuals. But Google told us that they're decentralized. So if you have a cryptocurrency, but you have nowhere to sell it, you have to just plead to people, please buy it. Okay, give me $5, give me $10. Even if I invested $1,000, give me anything. That is not the right cryptocurrency. That will give you the personal outlet for wealth that is beyond restriction and confiscation. That is why Google told us the decentralized. So how do the decentralized behave? For example, if I say the Bitcoin to the United States dollar, the Bitcoin, the BTC to the United States dollar, I want to show you something. Meaning that if anyone in this world, anyone, it doesn't matter which country you are in, it doesn't matter which city, as long as you have one Bitcoin, you are going to receive the current price of that coin if you search on Google, because tomorrow the price might change, but you get the current global market price, because in the whole world we all have the same global market value of the decentralized cryptocurrency. If Arafat, I'm in Uganda and I'm using Ugandan shillings, and each Bitcoin is worth 82,375 United States dollar, Arafat, I'll be given the Ugandan shillings that are equivalent to 82,375 United States dollars. So, meaning that everyone, as long as you have the decentralized, you get the current global market value. You won't plead for anyone that please give me any money, that have my one Bitcoin, but please give me $10,000. No, you receive the exact amount, and you won't plead to anyone, because we have crypto exchanges like Binance where you can sell these cryptocurrencies from. We have crypto exchanges like OKX, Get.io, to mention but a few, where you can sell these cryptocurrencies. You'll find the buyers and sellers there. You don't need to plead to anyone, and these people buy it at the current market price. You'll only get that information if you're subscribed, if you're following our social media platforms of Coach Sebadoka Arafat. So they're telling us that you understand the market dynamics before investing in any cryptocurrency. In our recent video, we looked at the coin market cap, and we said that you need to get this application from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. It's free of charge. So we looked at the market capitalization. These are one of the fundamentals before you invest in cryptocurrency, and we said that the market capitalization is a metric used to determine a cryptocurrency's relative size and value. And we looked at cryptocurrencies with high market capitalization. They're more stable and they're good in investing. So the investors feel comfortable and they have a bright future, and they're widely used all over the world. But those ones with low market capitalization, in most of the cases, are more volatile, meaning that you can wake up one day where you invested $1,000, you see there $1, or you don't see any money. Most of you have invested in cryptocurrencies, you know that. But lucky, we have that video already here on this social media handle where we talked about the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Search about that video. Use the comment section. Ask these questions on all our social media handles. We shall be gladly answering all these questions. You know which cryptocurrencies that you want to invest in? Definitely ask these questions. They will be answered on our different social media handles. So now, this coin market cap, you'll find different cryptocurrencies. There are thousands and thousands. As you see, I can scroll down because there are thousands of thousands. But for an example, if you click on Bitcoin and you scroll down, they will show you its market capitalization, that it is $1.63 trillion. They will show you its volume, the 24-hour volume, that they have traded $29.19 billion in the last 24 hours. You look at the maximum supply, the circulating supply. There are very many things that I won't look at, which we looked in our previous videos. Searched our previous videos about the market capitalization. So they're telling us that books, blogs, podcasts, and forums are all good places to start. You should also learn about the projects, teams, and technology behind different cryptocurrencies to make informed decisions. So how will you understand about the projects, the teams, and the technology? Definitely the coin market cap. I told you that this is the gold in the cryptocurrency, because it will show you all information. Because in any cryptocurrency, you just scroll down. Now you can see about Bitcoin. You can read about Bitcoin, and you understand that this was created by a pseudonym called Satoshi Nakamoto. We have that video talking about the origins, the mysterious origins of the Bitcoin. Definitely you can search out that video on our social media handles. You'll be able to find it. So as I've told you, by the way, even in the Holy Bible, God tells us that he pities someone who trusts a fellow human being. It is really quite fun. I'm not telling you that please don't trust people, but God tells us that he feels pity for someone who trusts a normal person breathing. Why? Because we human beings, as I've told you, we human beings, by the way, we are very unpredictable. People change. So that is why I've told you, because I have gotten very many people telling me I was given the wrong guidance. I was not guided rightly. I was given high expectations and false expectations. So that is why we are here to give you the right and best knowledge. So today we have looked at the DYOR. Do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. Try to make your research, but also at times the research that you'll make sure that you are getting that research from verified sources, because at times you'll be misguided. That is why I told you we are here. Feel free to ask any question. Feel free to ask any question. There is no question that I'll feel like, oh, this question is like attacking us. Ask any question, because here you are going to invest your money. You have a right. Ask any question of your choice. So today we have looked at it, the first essential tip to make before buying and the selling of cryptocurrency. The first tip which will make the buying and selling of the cryptocurrency safer. So in our next video, we shall look at watch out for the scams. That will be our next thing to look at on how to safely invest in cryptocurrency. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share our content. Definitely, we shall be very glad. And thank you very much, our subscribers. Thank you very much for people who support us in different ways. We are really humbled, and we are really very glad to continue serve, and we shall always serve. So lastly, I want to end with this. Financial freedom starts with smart investing. So you can join the trading artificial intelligence bot for those traders who are already been trading cryptocurrencies, but you haven't yet been yielding as you were expecting. We have the trading artificial intelligence bot because we are in an era of AI where the AI does everything. So this AI will help you to analyze markets faster, move the trades faster after making profits, because at times we are engaged with our day-to-day activities. So guess what? You don't need to be online. You don't need to be with your phone, your laptop all the time. You can do your other work as the U-Trading AI robot is making something for you. So join the U-Trading AI robot with any crypto exchange like Binance for the stable 10% monthly profit. So let us get started and we start earning. So for more information about the U-Trading artificial intelligence bot, you can simply contact me on that WhatsApp number in my biography, or you can reach me out on my email, or you can simply use the comment section so that you can be able to reach out to us so that you understand on how you can successfully invest and earn from the cryptocurrency industry.